While there's a number of different ways to build your quote specifications in sourceit, we're going to take you through the longer of the 4 options. Here we're building the quote specifications. We enter in the name of the product, you can give it a product code, and you can even add version number if you wish. Next, you'll notice in the product specifier we have a number of drop-down menu options. Simply select from those options that best suit the specification that you're building, or you can select the custom options as you go. And this will allow you to add in free text when required. We add in our artwork and the type of proofing. Next, you provide the number of pages. This will change and alter depending on whether you have a saddle stitched book or a perfect bound book. You can select your paper stocks. Your administrator may have uploaded a database of paper stocks for you to choose from, or you can select a custom stock and custom weight. If you require scoring, sourceit will automatically lead you through the process. How many scores do you require? Are they parallel or at right angles to each other? You keep following the process, and as you answer questions, sourceit will ask you further questions, or it will take options away from you. Continue to answer the questions, including your mailing options, and here you have a catch-all at the end, where you can add any additional details that you wish to provide to your supplier. Next, you provide some packaging information. You can provide instructions on carton types, or you have the ability to provide additional details. Shipping options are available to you, and whether you want to send it to your own organisation, your customer, the warehouse, or you can upload a spreadsheet if you have multiple delivery locations to send the work to. Simply select Save Quote and select Suppliers. Here your best 5 suppliers will be elevated to the top of the list based on their health rating. You can make any choices you wish relating to suppliers, and simply select the Send button, and your suppliers will receive the quote request via email. You're taken back to your summary view, where all of the information relating to your quote, including specifications, shipping locations, milestones, and the suppliers you've asked to bid on, appear. You can change suppliers if you wish to by simply selecting Change Suppliers and update the supplier selection, and your new suppliers will either be added or taken away. You also have the ability to send messages to your suppliers. Simply type the message and select Send, and your suppliers will be sent a message directly from sourceit. But remember, the product specifier changes depending which of the product types that you select. So if I was to select NCR Carbonus books and pads, you can see now just how different the product specifier is. We have different page binding options. We have tape colour, our cover and back cover details are different, our text and all other components of the product specification are unique to that particular product. There are over 80 different product types for you to choose from in sourceit market today. Thanks for watching this video. If you need support, contact us at support@sourceithq.com.